Alrighty, buddy, got you all fixed up. You had 2-bolt transistors. Watch you drive on sideband. If you get on sideband, cut your variable back. Remember, this is 2 driving 12. You're talking about your other box, it ain't got no drivers in it. That's why you don't have no trouble on sideband with it. But it won't do as much as this. But she's all up and going. We'll start out. Look at her straight through drive. 4 wide, 0. Turn him on. Input tune, variable wide open. Hello, audio, worldwide. That's nothing. 2500 watt PEP on the bird. Hello, audio, worldwide. 22 and some change. On the LP. Hello, audio, worldwide. Let it calm down. Worldwide. Hello, audio, hello. 2200 some change. Hello, audio, 1, 2, worldwide. Look at your tune over there, reflex 0. Hello, audio, worldwide. 1, 2. Hello, audio, worldwide. Hello, worldwide. I'm running out of breath. Audio, hello, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, hello. What, about 20, 30 seconds to key down. She's all fixed up, man. Ready to go for you? We'll get her back to you and get you tracking. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye-bye.